Hi lovelies, welcome back once again to Viva's Kitchen, and I believe you are all doing great. Today I want to share with you how to make this extremely delicious and aromatic tuna jollof rice, and I hope you like it. The ingredients put together made the outcome super heavenly, so please stay tuned if you are interested, and I'm so sure you'll be inspired. To support your girl, please don't forget to like, share, and comment on the video, okay? And as always, I will appreciate it. Without further ado, lovelies, let's begin. So now in the saucepan, I'm adding my seasoned oil. So once it's heated, I'll then go ahead and add my fresh thyme, just like so. Next, my rosemary. Next, my ginger, garlic. And next, my scotch bonnet pepper, onions, the white and the red onions. And next, my green bell peppers, red paprika, celeries, yes. And next, I'll add my chopped fresh tomatoes. Beautiful. And after that, I'll give it a stir, just like so. Next, I'm adding my white, black, and red peppercorns, just like so. And next, my fresh coriander leaves. And after that, I'll continue to saute for about 7 minutes until the vegetables are translucent. 7 minutes later, they've released their flavors already, and I love this. So I'll let them cool down, and after that, transfer everything into the blender, just like so. So now I'm going ahead to blend them until homogeneous. Whilst they are blending, I'll then add some seasoned oil into the saucepan, just like so, and then add my onion, thyme, and then give it a stir. Ooh, so flavorful. I will let the onion fry until golden brown, and then add my tomato paste, just like so, and then I'll give it a stir until well combined. And after that, I'll let them fry for about 7 minutes again to release their flavors together, okay? While doing so, I'll proceed to cut my homemade oven smoked tuna into pieces. And lovelies, I'll leave the link of my homemade oven smoked tuna in the description box. Check it out and be inspired, yeah? And hey, lovely, so far, if you're enjoying the video, please give your girl a big thumbs up. Don't forget to comment and share, and I'll always appreciate it. We are all done. So next, I'm adding them into the stew base, just like so. Lovelies, 3 minutes later, I'll then go ahead and add my blended aromatics, and mamma mia. I'll then go ahead and give it a stir until well combined. From the look of things, the consistency is thick for my liking, so I'll then rinse the blender and add it to it, just like so. And again, I'll stir until everything is really combined. And after that, I'll cover it up with my splatter guard for it to simmer down. So a few minutes later, I am back, and as you all can see, the water is drying out, hence seeing more oil on top of the stew base. Next, I'll then proceed to add my shrimp tablet, okay? And now my all-purpose seasoning, and next, my Beda Complete seasoning. I'll then give it a stir until everything is well incorporated, yeah? After that, I'll then cover it up for it to simmer down more, okay? Few minutes later, I am back, and so far so good. Our stew base is getting ready and it's so beautiful. I love everything about it. Talk of the flavor and the aroma, they are all on point. Now I'm adding salt to taste, and again I'll give it a stir until well combined. And after that, I'll still let it simmer down for some few more minutes. And lovelies, I am back after 5 minutes. So far it's ready, and I love the thickness of the stew base so far. I'm scooping some on the side and then add my washed rice, just like so. I'll proceed to give it a stir and mix the rice, and at the same time I will toast for about 3 minutes for them to release their flavors together, okay? This way the rice will be super yummy. Lovely, so far if you're enjoying the video, please don't forget to recommend this channel to families and friends who may like my recipes. Now I'm going ahead to add my nutmeg, again to elevate the flavor of this jollof rice before I finally add water to my desired level, yeah? Next, I'll cover the rice up for the water to dry out, okay? And I'm back again after a few minutes, and the water is almost dried out. So So I'll then go ahead and lovely give it a stir, and after that add my parchment paper. You can as well use kitchen foil, and next I'll add my lid. Give it time for it to cook until perfection. Yeah, 15 minutes later I am back. Let's check it out. Ooh, what a beautiful aroma. Lovelies, this jollof rice is so ready, and I love how single grain they are. I must say this recipe is a banger. You will never go wrong with all the ingredients put together for jollof rice. I promise you. Ooh, so heavenly. Lovelies, if it's your first time seeing my video and so far you are enjoying the recipe, hey, I'd love to have you here. So kindly do me a favor by subscribing to this channel to enjoy more of my recipes, and I'm so sure you'll love it here. And when you do, don't forget to smash on the bell button to receive updates from me whenever I upload new videos here. So far so good, lovelies. I'm all done making my extremely delicious and aromatic tuna jollof rice, and I hope you've been inspired. For more of my videos, follow me on Instagram, like and follow my Facebook page. Follow me as well on TikTok and Twitter for more updates. Thanks for watching. See you all again in my next video. Until then, stay blessed, stay safe, be good, take care, and enjoy. Mwah, kiss. Toodles. Peace out.